Hello everyone, I'm back again, and I'm going to show you the model haul I got this weekend. Started with the 2005 edition of the 350 scale Enterprise refit. You can see the model here with the instructions, and I'm going to have to, just a minute, just a second. There we go, that should do it. That should give you a better angle of everything. So you can see the model here. There you go. Now you can see what model it is. And of course you have the entire decal sheet. I'm just going to take a look at the decal sheet here and see what I got. There's the decal sheet. Seems quite small, but you can see how you can build it as the A. In fact, the registry number is already at the proper spacing to be the A. Well, that's good. And of course, all the instructions came in the same bag. You can see a strong back painting scheme here. See, right there. And it even has the general Aztec pattern. Of course, you can use the Aztec dummy masks for that. And then the giant instruction sheet itself. A minute here. There, that's better. See? The instruction sheet. So it shows you how to build the refit version on the left. And mostly the Enterprise A on the right. And I guess all the parts, how to assemble them and everything. So that's pretty good. That'll be all set there. Yeah. And of course you can see that most of the parts are completely identical to the newer 2017 release, though I'm not going to take them out of their package now. Leave them in the box so that nothing gets disturbed. And this box is so big it's just going to have to sit on the floor for now. I have no other spot to put it at the moment, but anyway, I can show you the other kits I bought. So I found the Mobius Moonbus kit from 2001: A Space Odyssey. That model kit says copyright 2017. There you go. So I've never built these before, but you can see all the parts are in there, and I always dig through to find the instructions and the decals and put them on the very top. See? Well, quite a lot of instructions here. That's good. And I guess on the back you probably have the... Oh, there we go. There we are. Rest of the instructions. Paint and decals, how to make it look inside and out. That's pretty good. Don't know if it comes with any figures. I guess we'll find out. Oh, it does. There you go. Pilot and co-pilot. Oh, that's good. So that's that one. Because I realized I have a 2001 spaceship, so I might as well build the Moonbus and everything. Just going to have to figure out where to put these, of course. Ah, there we go. It'll fit on top of the 350 scale Enterprise refit. And I also have the Discovery model kit. You can see it here. So this is also, I think, a, also 2017. Space pod, an astronaut not included. Well, that's okay. It's just the ship. Didn't realize it was so long. Look how long it is. That's pretty good. 41 inches long. Oh my. That's longer even than the Enterprise refit, which is only 33 inches long. Ah, this is great. They put the instructions on the very top. And it takes you all through everything. That's pretty good. Multiple pages. And then it's telling you exactly what color to make everything, and the color callouts are actually blue. There you go. Blue, green, and red. Ah, that's why I heard metal in it. The rear metal rod. Okay. Looks wonderful. So I'll put this on the shelf and show you the next kit. Okay, and then I found 3 vintage packaged Star Wars kits. You know, the Luke Skywalker X-Wing. Now it's a vintage style. Trying to see what year it is. Can't quite see it from here. But you can see all the sides. And there you go. And there's the back. And the instruction guide, quite simple on this one. Yeah, pretty simple indeed. That's about it. And then it comes with, I'm sure, decals, of course. So that's quite good. I went to all the different model shops in the Montreal area and stopped by Ottawa on my way home. And there you go, the B-Wing from Return of the Jedi. So you can see the side of the box here. The other side. And of course the back. There you go. See if it has some kind of stand or not. There's the instructions. Oh yeah, it does have a stand. There you go. And these ones are pretty simple also. That's good. So you got 2 of the model movies, and then you've got the 3rd movie accounted for with the AT-AT Walker. And you can see the side of the box here. The back of the box. Looks like the legs are posable. Oh, 2 snow speeders and 2 laser turrets. Yeah, didn't know that. And the back. There you go. That's good. It's really good. It doesn't show the year of these. but it did specify on the box that it was the original 1980 box art, 1981. Let's see, usually... Alright, so here's the AT-AT Walker. Here.